Oh, somebody's flying an RC airplane down there. He's got him a little runway map. That's
nice.
just perfect. I love it. That's perfect. Uh-oh, he just crashed a bitch. He just crashed.
Did he really?
I swear to God he did. Right in the trees. And it's stuck up there. Let me see the helicopter for a second. I have all three controls.
No kidding.
Yep, she's in the top of the trees.
Whereabouts you're looking at? Oh, I see him. I see the guys. I don't see it yet, but
it went right in the tree. Way up in the tree. You know how cool it would be if we could scoop that thing out the tree for him? You know how big of a friend I would have?
do it. Wow. I like his little runway.
That's cool as crap.
Cross runway and everything, you know. Oh, I see it.
He's in the tree.
Yeah.
Darn it. Way up in the top of the tree.
Nice eyes. I don't know how you saw that.
I see everything. Damn it. Alright, take that carburetor heater. That's a P-51 Mustang too. Carburetor heat's off. Damn, right in the treetop.
What do you think?
Alright, their tail's clear.
Yeah,
What I'm going to try to get you to do is grab the wing.
Yep.
Alright, we're clear on the tail a little bit further up. We'll try to get you to grab that wing tip. I'm going to put the nose of the helicopter right down here in the bushes. Check my tail for me.
Yeah, you're good. Back left a little bit. Got it.
Hold on to her. You reckon I got permission to land down here now?
Oh, yeah.
Hold on to her. Them guys are fucking tripping right now. You know that? They are fucking tripping, son. Watch the rotor.
Yes, sir.
Hold that wing down. Tote it out for him.
Yes, sir.
Hold on to it.
Oh, really? Hey, you got it. He saw it. He saw it all.
I fly these fucking things too. I love them.
Thank you, sir.
You're so welcome. It was my pleasure. It don't matter. I'm okay with that. My name's Timmy. I own the helicopter business out there.
Over there by the... Come on, here. Okay. Hey. Hey. Oh.
You're more than welcome.
If that ain't the sickest fucking thing you've ever done, huh?
That's a story for the ages, right?
Is it? Alright, brother, you have all three. She's all yours.
Got it.
We'll pick her up and just take her right out this way right here. We'll use this runway.
Got it.
Eyes outside. Yeah, walk her right on out. That fucking shit was sick. Damn, I reckon. Dude, we got that on camera. Fucking hey, that was awesome. Oh my God.
That was his first time
That's
flying
fucking $800 worth of airplane right there. I mean, hell, he's got some money tied up in that thing. Oh, dude, that was ridiculous.
You know, I forgot we had that.
Dude, we got camera rolling, brother. We're gonna see this whole thing. I can't wait to watch it. We're watching it when we get back, too.
Oh.
Son of a bitch.